don't get robbed by a car dealership without a gun. Because that's what they doing to people, man. They robbing people. And I want to give you a few key things to look out for this year, because I know a lot of people are going to get new vehicles, work vehicles, vehicles for school, vehicles for business, and you have to look out. So even if you got good credit, they'll still get you. So let me tell you a couple things just to be aware of when you're dealing with these car dealerships, especially used car dealerships. Now, here are a few things you got to realize. There is no such thing as the end of the month sales. There is no such thing as rebates on a positive note. If they tell you you getting a rebate, that means you are upside down in this vehicle. You are not going to win when you try to trade this vehicle off. 9 times out of 10, they say, "Oh, we're gonna give you a $5,000 rebate." Put that rebate on the front, because that's what you're gonna be upside down in when you get ready to trade the vehicle in. Now, 3, do your own research. Not Kelley Blue Book. That's not accurate. They'll use Kelley Blue Book just to get over on you. Well, you want to use NADA and the Black Book. The Black Book you're going to pay for, but that's fine, because then you'll know exactly what your vehicle is worth. NADA going to tell you too. You're going to put in the information. It's going to give you a better. So if you walk in with that, they can't fuck you. Matter of fact, they're going to be like, damn, he already knows. So they got to work with you because you know the truth. And the fourth thing I want to tell you to be aware of, and this is what they doing and getting over on a lot of people, power booking. Companies will do this just so they can sell vehicles, and the features that they introduce into the bank ain't even on the vehicle. Or say you got a 600 credit score, but you need a 7, and somebody else came through with a 7. They can copy and paste yours, send it over to the bank just so you can get approved. They do this. Now, this is against the law, by all means. So you need to know what you are doing before you even walk in there. So if you want a certain type of vehicle, do your research before you go in there on everything, even on yours. If you're trading one in, do your research first. Don't go in not knowing what you're going to do, or you're going to get robbed without a gun dealing with car dealerships. Hog on.